Me Tiago, I don't know who's Marco. I just hit this lotto. I'm building up my cargo. And I know.
Happy New Year! 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 Yeah, come. Sit. Have a drink. Thank you. Eh, where's your son? I don't see him around.
Oh yeah, he went visit his friend in the morning.
Oh, really? In his room. How old your son this year?
He just graduated from high school, 18 years old. So you, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old, still in primary school.
Oh, Hayo, you used to be so small, but you grow up already.
Ayo, auntie, you also look very young, but now it's old already. Don't do like that. Sorry, children. No, I'm not educated. Don't mind.
Okay. This is auntie little gift for you.
Thank you, auntie.
I go to prepare some food. You guys eat first, okay? Okay. Ginny, this is my cousin Vivian.
Hi. What is this? Nice or not?
This is so delicious.
Oh, is it?
Hey, you know what? Not fine, you what? Why? I like you. You want to eat kochi or not?
From Manao.
Cannot tell you. So let me know.
Why so close?
I cannot.
Cannot eat or not nice or not?
"2,000 years later."
I need to go now. Go.
You guys want to go already?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Bye. Hello, these guys. Like not eating 1,000 years this before. Never mind, I have this. Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. Hello everyone, I'm Joyce. Today I want to talk about the Xiaomi Handheld vacuum cleaner, which is this. First edible, I'm impressed with how well this vacuum cleaner feels. It's really nicely designed. The Xiaomi Handheld vacuum cleaner has a 350 watts brushless motor, a 9-con cyclone engine with 108 watts suction speed, and 5 different filters and a built-in 2050 mAh battery that's good for around 116 square meters of cleaning per charge. And on the back of the handle, you will find its charging port. You can just charge it by itself or have it mounted to walls to charge, which is actually not bad above that. And you also find the indicator light which show you the battery level. If the red is no batteries, low batteries, and if the orange color is middle battery level. On the handle, you will find the power button. It's very simple to press to start the vacuum and let go to stop. On top of the handle, you will find a max button which you can reach with thumbs. If you press this together with the start button, it will increase the vacuum strength by 4 times to max level. For the dust collector bins, it can be easily emptied with this switch. On the button, just press, it will dispose as well as you can. And you also can actually take these all dust collector bins off, as well as all the filters and all the small elements inside. As well, you can pretty much clean all of it with water except for the motor itself. And it also actually very convenient and pretty easy to put back together. As well, this vacuum cleaner comes with an extensions rods. There are 4 different brush heads. You can either attach this with the extension rod or without the extension rod in between. The first of this attachment is the soft area entry brush that is power. This one is great for cleaning the folds. And the second is electric dust removal head, which also rotator put a much stronger and different types of brush. This is good for the bed and sofa. And the normal brush tip can be used for desks and laptops. And finally, the gap tips is to vacuum in a harder to reach the place. Now we will look how well does it vacuum. Some comments for these Xiaomi vacuum cleaners. So what do I think in these Xiaomi vacuum cleaners? I think it is very well priced and it definitely great looking, and it's feel well built and manufactured, and it extremely low noise, and it's lightweight and profitable. It's got a very good filtration system, and it seems to perform very well besides not performing that well for vacuuming large objects, and actually good for daily use like normal dustings. So what do you guys think about the Xiaomi vacuum cleaners? Let me know here in the comment sections on what you thought, and if you have some questions you can ask. And thank you so much for watching. We reach in the ends of our videos, and if you do like these videos, give a like and share, and please, and also the subscribe. Very thank you. Bye.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. All girls all over the world. Original King Julian for the girls, man. I love how all the girls, I love to move their body. When you move your body, you know move it nice and sweet and sassy. And right, woman you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on bottom. Woman you cute, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on bottom. Physically fit, physically woman, physically fit, physically fit woman, nice, sweet, fantastic. Big body ocean at the big tight headed woman and eyes, sweet, energetic.